Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Akhtar, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Line newspaper. So, first of all, is Beer Paul has FPI selling spree trigger market route. Next, SN, S&P OECD retain India's GDP forecast for financial year 2023. Then, government bans export of map of sensitive location. Next, Apple now making iPhone 14 in India. Next, more CPSCs to go on the block. Government starts process. Next, we comes to the page number 4. In that, Motherson acquires Ichinoku Industries. Next, Infosys opens digital center in Canada. Next, auto dealers on expansion mode has demand spikes. Next, no coercive action till November 17 against Anil Ambani. High Court to IT department. Next, BPCL to incur marketing losses this fiscal fetch. Next, Amar Raja batteries to go for backward integration. Next, Maruti prices new Grand Vistara is in rupees 10.45 lakh to 19 lakh rupees range. Next, Tata Motors launches 3 new pickup vehicle. Next, ready to fight for representing UP to SC. Next, Hero Electric to set up rupees 1200 crore EV units. Next, we comes to the page number 5. In that, no clarity on resumption on Sonalin 1 ONGC. Next, FIO planned series of activities in GCC markets. Next, Petrobras agree to supply IOC with oil. Next, S&P OECD retain India's GDP forecast for financial year 2023. Next, we need an streamlined taxation system for the VCPE industry. Next, Ukraine war inflation weighting down global economy OECD. Next, we need a next foreign trade policy extended by 6 months and aimed demand from industry. Next, DPIIT to hold deliberation with shareholders on logistic policy. Next, credit of tech continues its upswing on robust demand. Next, Air India clears COVID time refund backlog of rupees 150 crores. Next, with page number 6 on that article section, sunlight on moonlight. Next, RBI rupee headache. Next, option out of IPEF trade pillar was necessary. Next, we comes to the page number 7. That is also article section. Clause 44 must be exit. India must support its fishery fall. Next, AI will drive healthcare more than ever. Next, recession looms over world economy. Next, we comes to the page number 8. In that, Ashoka Buildcon terms doubles 9% on bribery case. Next, Sukhjit Stock and Cam 6 NSE listing. Next, Dubai-based Mark AB Capital LLC becomes promoter of SCPCs. Next, electronic gold receipts launches gets final node. Next, PSU major WAP cause files IPO papers with SEBI. Next, Gold Plus Class Uniparts India gets SEBI node to float IPO. Next, listing day. Harsha Engineers Zoom 47%. Next, we goes to the page number 9. In that, Temasek investor $85 billion in MobiKwik diagnostic. Next, post PCF central bank will be disciplined in acquiring assets. Next, Butterfly Learning rises $1.5 billion in seats around. Next, Goldie Solar to invest rupees 5,000 crore to extend manufacturing. Next, despite headwinds, luxury housing market remains buoyant, says DLF Akash Shori. Next, Sonata Software plans to scale operations. Next, Mahindra Holidays aims to end quarter 3 with 80% occupancy. Next, Epiction Carbon to invest rupees 550 crore in Karnataka. Next, Ganesh Foundry to double output capacity. Next, Akasha launches flight to Guwahati, Agartala. Next, first 9 months of 2022 say 62% upstick in leisure tourism OYO study. Next, we comes to the page number 10. In that, urea imports fall but sales rises 2%. Next, rice exporters move Andhra Pradesh SC court against shipment curbs. Next, indicators signal bearish trend in MCX Cooper. Next, monsoon is the third best in last 4 years. Next, gold steadies near two-year old low has slips dollar slips. Next, Goel to take final call on sugar exports. Next, crude oil faces losses from 9-month low. Next, Kochi to host second edition of Kerala Spice Conference from today. Next, Dhanuka's group 6 action against Superish pesticides. Next, ICR scientists decode uh, pomegranate guinea. Next, grow it Samunati to aid processtive farm tech. Next, we comes to the page number 11. In that quickie section, Gulam Nabi Azad launches new party. Next, RBI slabs fine on Jalgaon People's Cooperative Bank. Next, foundation stone laid for 350 bead ESI hospital. Next, cement cartel case. Delhi High Court allows builders to approach CCI. Next, Gamescraft takes DGGI to court on rupees 21,000 crore GST claim. Next, will have own platform to live stream proceeding Supreme Court. Next, Air Carbon keen to set up a carbon exchange platform in India, talking to regulators. Next, IOC launches fuel for light aircraft drones. Next, Plum Goddess to expand online offline sales network. Next, IRCTC offers special menu this Navratri Durga Puja. Next, cleanup campaign at government office in October. Next, we comes to the page number 12. In that quickly section, Putin is not buffering, bluffing about nuclear attack Ukraine. New rule to show true cost of flight ticket. India push for own navigation system. Iraq smartphone makers. Next, government bans export of geostatistical data maps of sensitive location. Next, 50 to 60% of tweets told to be blocked initiates by Twitter. Google India's policy head Gulati resigns. Next, cement firms profit to dig 15% on input costs. Next, salaries in India expected to increase 10.4% in 2023 on. Next, Transparency International urges Europe to bar Russia diamond imports. Next, this for that much for today. Thanks for watching and make a good day.